Hey guys, Nick Miller here today from Work Supply Company. Today I have for you a 2019 John Deere 2032R. So don't confuse this with an E series. This is a totally different tractor than an E. This is an R series. These are an incredibly nice tractor. This tractor has a 220R quick attach front loader with the John Deere style quick attach front loader bucket. Very, very nice tractor, 267 hours. I bought it from a local gentleman here who went to the direction of a skid loader for what his work had changed. This tractor still has factory admissions and limited basic, I do believe what they call powertrain warranty from Deere. Tractor was sold new, I believe it was June 25th of 2019. Has emissions warranty until June 25th of 2024, and in that basic, limited basic warranty, which what they're telling me is the powertrain, until 6/25 of 2025. So you are buying a tractor that does have warranty. 267 hours. This tractor shows, which is pretty cool. 206 of those hours was why it was in four-wheel drive. Then the other hours, there's only 17 hours on the PTO function, which is pretty cool. This has the auto throttle on it, so I can actually flip a switch and it's gonna run the throttle and match it with the Hydrostatic, much like Kubota uses and what they're called their IntelliThrottle or auto throttle in those, which are kind of like that feature. High-low range. This just has a nice all-around feel to it. R4 tire package on its Galaxy tires, Cat 1 3-point hitch. We're going to start here up underneath the hood, if I can learn how to talk today. One thing the Deeres do have, the front hood here, you have to push in right there. It's a little safety thing. I just push in on something off my Leatherman. You can use a key to do it. Underneath the hood is going to be powered by a Yanmar 3-cylinder diesel engine. Starts and runs excellent. There's no abnormal noise, smoke, blow-by, anything of that nature. What I did do is I went over here to our local John Deere dealer, West Central Equipment, and I did get a complete full filter kit for this unit, and we serviced it. All filters and oils have been changed. So we did engine, air, fuel, hydraulic, anything it called for that we went ahead and did that. Now, hood shuts nice, hood's in beautiful shape. We did wash and wax the tractor. It does have a top hook here that was bolted onto the bucket. Grill guard is on it. Armrest package on the seat. Again, it is Galaxy R4 style tires. Up front, you're gonna have, I do believe they're a 23, but we'll get you that size. 23 by 8.50 by 14, and in the rear, a 14/17.5. Now, take a look here. We do have a set of bolt-in wheel weights on both sides. And I do apologize for my voice here. Allergies. Top link is with it, factory top link. Category 1 3-point hitch. Drawbar is here, 540 PTO. You can see that the PTO sleeve itself is still on there. I even hate to take it off, but you can see it's hardly been used again, and the clock tells us that. We're gonna head over here to the other side. We have a cubby hole here with a 12-volt cigarette lighter plug. Does have a nice style seat that has got some spring coil suspensions in it. You have your high and low range, your park brake, four-wheel drive in and out, diff lock. Seat does slide back and forth. Up, down for your 3-point. You do have cruise control, joystick loader. Go ahead and turn the key on. 267 hours. Engine time, vehicle time, and PTO time, which was pretty neat. No error codes. You have 4-ways, turn signals, headlights, everything of that nature. And then on an R series, you do have a tilt wheel. You also have independent braking. So again, do not confuse this with an E series tractor. I've sold some E's here in the past. Recently, actually, there is, my opinion, there is no comparison from an E to an R. This is just like a totally different tractor. So we're going to run it around here. First thing I'll do, I'm going to fire him back up. I'm going to bump the throttle up here. I'll show you that all right now first, okay? We're going to go ahead and get ourselves in low range. We'll get ourselves in four-wheel drive. Now, you're going to see four-wheel drive is turning, four-wheel drive is out. So there is low range, forward and reverse, okay? Now, let's go ahead and go to high range, forward and reverse. Power steering on this tractor is absolutely beautiful, smooth. Matter of fact, we turn these lights on. Now, what we're gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and take the throttle down. I'm gonna turn on the auto throttle, okay? Which is so cool. So they've got this down. It works really nice. Again, throttle's in the idle position. It's only giving it as much throttle as it needs for the work you're doing. So there you're not running a tractor around that's screaming wide open. You know, it's just absolutely turning all the RPMs it has, and you're not doing anything. I found that to just be a very, very nice option, okay? So there I'm on it pretty hard. I'm actually about wide open, which is nice. Now here's what's nice about that. When you're backtracking, okay, go ahead, we can give it a little more, a little more, a little more. And what that's doing, it's allowing me, the operator, to keep my hands where they need to be. Loader joystick and on the steering wheel versus, you know, this hand coming off and going for the throttle all the time, okay? I like that. I think it's a great feature that they've come up with on here. In my opinion, I think almost every tractor out there should have that feature. I think it's a great feature. And you see how nice that is as far as myself toggling back and forth from the kind of work I'm doing, okay? And you don't have a tractor sitting there just screaming wide open. So there again, great feature from John Deere on that. And then to simply shut it off, push the button down, and now it doesn't work, and I go back to the hand throttle, okay? So I think that's a great idea. 3-point, I'm gonna take that down. Let me go ahead here and kick PTO in. Oh, I know what I did. My fault, Matt. Sorry. There we go. I had it on the mid PTO. That was my fault. We have mid PTO. There it is. And then we're going back. Right there's mid and rear. And then you have rear. Now we can choose here. We do have cruise control. I can shut that off, okay? We'll back him up. And I don't believe it actually has cruise in reverse. Okay, it does not. So there again, I'm using that auto throttle system. Kind of a handy tool in operating that tractor. I really like that. You can still use the traditional hand throttle with it engaged. So you have turn signals, four-ways, headlights, front lights, park brake. Guys, very nice tractor. Again, a 2019 2032R. 220R quick attach, excuse me, front loader. Very clean tractor, 267 hours. Tractor's 100% ready to go to work. Very nice, clean tractor. If you want to come by and check it out yourself and personally have absolutely nothing to hide, come by and check it out. We're glad to help in any way that we can. 814-658-3066. Please check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.